In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit cards in FreshBooks. Start by heading to freshbooks.com and signing into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Payments. This is your hub for everything related to getting paid, and it's where you'll enable online card payments. On the payment screen, open the More Actions menu in the top right and choose Accept Online Payments. This shortcut takes you straight to the payment settings so you can connect a provider without digging through multiple menus. Here you'll see the option to connect with Stripe. Click Connect with Stripe to start accepting major credit and debit cards. For most cards, the standard processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Keep in mind that fees can vary by country, card type, and any negotiated rates. So it's a good idea to confirm current pricing with Stripe and FreshBooks before you go live. Follow the prompts to sign in to an existing Stripe account or create a new one. You'll be asked for your business details and a bank account for payouts. This verification is normal and helps keep transactions secure. Once you finish, you'll be brought back to FreshBooks with Stripe connected and ready to use. If you prefer, or if you want to give clients another way to pay, you can also connect PayPal from the same page. Click Connect next to PayPal to enable checkout through PayPal, which also supports card payments. PayPal's fees are set by PayPal and may differ from Stripe, so compare the costs and choose the option that best fits your clients and your margins. You can keep both connected if you want to offer choice at checkout. After you connect your provider, FreshBooks automatically adds a Pay Online button to your invoices. When clients open an invoice, they'll see the available payment methods and can pay instantly. Their payments will appear under the Payment section in FreshBooks, making reconciliation straightforward. If you ever need to change providers, return to this same settings page to disconnect, switch, or update your connections. A few quick tips to set yourself up for success. Make sure your legal name and bank information match your official records to avoid verification delays. If you invoice in multiple currencies, check that your provider supports them. And if you use recurring invoices, enabling online payments can help clients pay faster and, where available, securely save a card on file. That's it. Sign in, go to Payments, choose More Actions, accept online payments, and connect Stripe or PayPal. Your invoices are now ready to be paid by card, helping you get paid sooner with less follow-up.